Let's do this.
You're moving around a lot. I gotta watch my heads.
Come on, knees in, Kevin. Face him, face him, face him. Get your knee in, get your knee in. Push, push. Don't grab, push, push. Bad dog, bad dog. Come on, push him away. Get the wolf off of you. Get the wolf off of you. There you go. Oh, you almost got it. Breathe and think. Think and control.
Number 2, jump on his back. Get him.
Kevin, you need help?
You asked me in the beginning.
What makes you a better fighter? Coaching. Not pace. Help him out. Help out Kevin. You guys know the same thing. Help him out. Nice and loud. Bridge!
That's
That's what I was waiting for.
I knew he was going.
Come on, you gotta escape your legs, Kev. Remember the hooks. Breathe. There you go. First, then second. 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 What's the second one? Second passing him out. What's your arm? Escape the leg, escape your leg. Breathe.
Okay?
I'm good. Ah. I tried to go into the choke. I went the wrong way. And that was the bad one.
Alright.
Let's go.
Hands up.
Totally went the wrong way.
There you go. Got the arm in your collar. I just spin. There you go. Climb it up, climb it up.
Get a base.
There you go. There you go. Push, push, push. Alright, there you go. Alright. There you go, Kev.
Yes, I'm in my arm. Now I'm stuck.
Pull up your pants, Kevin. Thank you. Come on, break your set up here. Work sweet.
I'll rush. You're rushing, get yourself caught.
Very good, Ryan.
Wait.
Time. Very good. And a drink. Woo. He's off. Do Nogi now.
I'm saying, it was just this way. And I was like,
Second throw.
and then I went this way. But it's too late. There was no air.
You stayed. I have to stay put. You should have moved. But you didn't really. You put the choke on you.
Yeah.
Right?